Schubert Sees the Best by Dr. Becky Bailey. It's a curious day in Bug Valley. Schubert wakes up with all kinds of questions swirling in his head. Why do we wear shoes when our toes are so cute? And why do we wave hello with our hands instead of our feet? He asks himself. Then he begins to sing, "Hooray, hooray, I've got questions today." Schubert's sister Sophie hears him singing. "Schubert," she asks, "why do you think the other bugs at school call Crenshaw hurtful names? Are they mean?" Schubert feels concern for Crenshaw the cricket and for his school family. He puts his finger to his head to think. And then he says, "I don't know, but I can find out at school. Come on." Schubert sings as they walk to school. "Hooray, hooray, I've got questions today. Hooray, hooray, answers are on the way." At school, Schubert shares his plan with his teacher, Mrs. Bookbinder. She gives him a clipboard, a pencil, and a detective's hat and cape to help him investigate. Then Mrs. Bookbinder whispers something in Schubert's ear, pss, 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 and hands him some funny heart-shaped glasses. Sophie looks up from her journal and wonders what Mrs. Bookbinder is whispering. Schubert heads off to start his investigation. Schubert's ready with his clipboard when Etta the earthworm comes out of her hole. "Etta," he asks, "why do you call Crenshaw hurtful names?" Etta replies, "He hollers out answers instead of raising his hand. I can't think with him yelling." Schubert puts on his funny heart-shaped glasses and responds, "Maybe answers just pop into his head faster than he can put up his hand." Says Etta, "let me see those glasses." And she looks through the glasses. She says, "I see. He has trouble remembering to raise his hand. I can help by raising my hand so he knows what to do. I'd rather be helpful than hurtful." Next, Schubert walks up to Big Benny the beetle. They touch knuckles to greet each other. "So, Benny, why do you call Crenshaw hurtful names?" "Well, Schubmeister, he grabs things. You're supposed to say, 'May I have a turn?' But Crenshaw just yanks things right out of your hand. He's a bully," Big Benny responds. Schubert slips on the heart-shaped glasses and says, "Maybe Crenshaw just doesn't know the words to use." Says Benny. "Let me see those glasses." Schubert stands on his tippy toes to slip the glasses onto Benny's head. "You're right, little buddy," Benny exclaims. "Crenshaw needs me to use my big voice. I could say, 'I don't like it when you grab. Ask me if you want a turn.' I'd rather be helpful than hurtful." Next, Schubert approaches the ant triplets, Angie, Angela, and Angelina. "What's with the detective hat?" they ask in unison. "I'm doing an investigation," answers Schubert. "I want to know why you make fun of Crenshaw and call him hurtful names." The ant triplets huddle to discuss an answer. Angela speaks up. "Crenshaw doesn't sing with us at circle. He just sits there like a bump. He's lazy." Schubert lowers the funny heart-shaped glasses over his eyes and says, "Maybe he enjoys watching us sing more than singing himself." "Let us see those glasses," respond the sisters as they squeeze three heads into one pair of glasses. Their faces are squished together like halves of a peanut butter sandwich. "Wow, he learns by watching us," the sisters say together. "We can help by singing and having fun. We would rather be helpful than hurtful any day." Next, Schubert decides to talk to Crenshaw. Schubert asks him, "Do you think the class is mean to you?" "Oh, Yes, Crenshaw says. They call me hurtful names and they tease me. Schubert hands Crenshaw the glasses. Oh, I see. I need to teach others how to treat me. I can use my big voice to say, I don't like it when you call me names. Then I can watch and listen to others for suggestions on how to be helpful. We can help each other. I'd rather be helpful than hurtful. Schubert's investigation is over. He sits at his desk to review the information. Is the class mean? Yes or no? Etta, nope. Big Benny, nope. Angie, nope. Angelina, nope. Angelina, no. Crenshaw mean? Yes or no? Crenshaw, nope, 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 nope. Sophie watches as Schubert looks over the results. What did you find out? Tell me, she chants in a sing-song voice. Why do the bugs call Crenshaw hurtful names? Is the class mean? Is Crenshaw mean? Schubert hands Sophie the funny heart-shaped glasses and says, well, neither Crenshaw or our bug family are mean. She puts the glasses on and looks around. I get it, she says. We forget to see the best in everyone. We forget to be helpful. Instead, we are hurtful. Pretty cool, huh? Responds Schubert. Yeah, but I have to know. What did Mrs. Bookbinder whisper in your ear when she gave you the glasses? Sophie asks. Mrs. Bookbinder told me to see the best in others. When we use loving eyes, we become helpful instead of hurtful. We turn problems into solutions, Schubert replies. Then, what a surprise. Mrs. Bookbinder hands each student their own pair of funny heart-shaped glasses. One by one, they slip the glasses on and look at each other with loving eyes. Schubert began to sing, Hooray, hooray, I had questions today. Hooray, hooray, answers came my way. The class is enchanted by what they have learned. Joyfully, they sing along. Hooray, hooray, we can see a different way. Hooray, hooray, for our loving eyes today. The end.